You've got a very overgrown area, which you know, that's why I'm here. So your instinct is, let's get rid of a lot of this stuff, especially the yews, which I understand. So, but what I think you should do first is cut a lot of this stuff way back first, particularly these. I think you should cut these back a foot off the ground. Yes. You have a little rhodie, you have a little azalea, you have a little hosta, you've got this deciduous azalea, this beautiful andromeda, and then kind of mirrored over here with hydrangeas, which I think you can pop out. So again, 1 foot down, prune back the azalea, prune back the rhodie, okay? This is goutweed, you're not gonna get rid of this, but it's contained, so that's fine. This is a Japanese holly, which I think is beautiful, which is what I said to you is I recommend this kind of thing all the time, but this is just way too much. So I bring this down to like maybe 3 feet around. Just, you're buying yourself some time, it'll come back, it'll be beautiful. I'm excited for you, because this is great. This is better than just getting everything new and starting again. Like, let's just use what we have and see where we are, okay?